Roll sound. Roll. Take one.
Bob, why are you wearing a wig?
Why, thank you for the lights, darling.
Ah!
Oh, don't mind us. We're just trying to fix Bob's car.
Wait, who are you?
Oh, I'm Bob's aunt. You can call me Aunt Roberta.
So, Bob, you can drive? But where? How? What's happening here?
Bob tells me you're smart. Will you give us a hand over here?
Sure, I guess. See, there. Seems like the fuel pipe is blocked. So, the fuel isn't reaching the engine. The same way our bodies can't work without oxygen, the car won't work if the fuel can't reach the engine.
What has oxygen got to do with fuel?
Well, oxygen is our body's fuel. Coincidentally, I happen to have the car's owner manual right here. I think with some changes, I can show you exactly what I mean. Cells in our bodies need oxygen that we breathe in to acquire energy from the food we eat. This happens in all the cells in our bodies, so oxygen works as fuel so our cells can function properly.
But how does the oxygen reach all the cells in our bodies?
How do you think the fuel in the car reaches the engine, Bob?
The fuel lines and pipes.
Yes, exactly. So, the same thing happens in our bodies too. We also have something like pipes that can transfer things within our bodies. Can you guess what I mean by this?
Are you talking about the blood vessels?
Yes. The blood vessels in our bodies are like those pipes in the car, and the blood is like the medium that can carry the fuel to different cells all around our bodies. The blood exchanges oxygen with the cells by a process called oxygen exchange. And the cells continue their extraction of energy from it by the process called metabolism. So, Bob, what do you think will happen when the blood vessels in our bodies get blocked somehow? Like the pipes on your car?
Well, the cells connected to them will stop working, just the way the car stopped working.
Exactly. So it's very important that the fuel in our bodies can reach everywhere it has to go for our bodies to function properly. And the same way the car can't run if the engine doesn't work properly, the human body won't work if the brain doesn't work properly. The brain is the organ that controls the entire body. If there's a blockage in the pipes, the blood vessels in our brains, then that can lead to something called a stroke.
But the brain is such a complex organ. How do we see if there's a blockage in any of the blood vessels in it?
Well, light can be used for this, as we talked about before. Right, Bob? The laser reaches the tissues in our heads. The lights get scattered, and that scattered light can be collected by a detector to understand the blood flow inside the brain, just like I showed you last time. So, when there is blockage, we can see little or no blood flow. That way, we can detect the blockage or its effects on the brain in a non-intrusive and safe manner. You fixed it, Bob!
Nice going, kid. I didn't know that light could be so useful for understanding how our bodies and our cars work.
This seems expensive. How can you afford this, Bob?
Oh, our family gets a paycheck every time someone draws a stick figure. Royalties!